year one. Okay, your skill shot for today is on the board. If you can match the two numbers together, which make the number bonds to 10, like we've been doing the rest of the week, that'd be fantastic. Off you go. Fantastic, okay. Your fluency is here for today. Here I have some number lines, 0 to 24 and 24 to 0, going up and down in twos. I would like you to spot the errors. Let's just have a quick little look here and see if we can spot the errors in this number line. So let's count in twos. So we're going to go 0, 2, 4. Oh, this one should be 4. So that is an error. This should be a 4. 4, 6, 8, 10, oh, this should be a 12, so it should not be a 13. And I would like you to carry that on your own and send them if you want us to have a look at them. That'd be fantastic. Okay, we're going to be looking at shape today. So, firstly, let's have a look at these shapes. So what shape is this? Let's have a look. It's got 1, 2, 3 straight edges. It's got 3 straight edges, 3 straight sides, and no curved sides. So what is this? Have a little think. It is a triangle. A triangle, fantastic. Let's look at our next shape. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. It's got 4 straight sides, which are all the same length. So they're all equal and they're all straight, and there's 4 of them. What shape is this? Have a little think. Shout it out. It is a square. Fantastic. What about this one? So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, but they are not all equal. It's got 4 straight sides, but they are not all equal. What shape is this? It is a rectangle. Has 4 straight sides that are not all equal. Brilliant. And last one, this one has 1 curved side. 1 curved side. What shape is this? I know this is a circle. Fantastic. Okay, so we were looking at pattern the other week in shapes or shapes in a pattern. I'm just going to see if we can carry that on. So we're going to go and find the core. So the core is the main part of the pattern that repeats each time. So let's find the core first. It's saying it's triangle, something, rectangle, triangle, and then we can see it starts again, because here is purple triangle, blue something, yellow rectangle, red triangle, and then it starts again. We can see that repeats each time like this. So we know that this is our core. So the core is triangle, rectangle, triangle. What shape is this? So it's got 4 equal straight sides. What shape is this? This is a square. So I'm going to put square in here. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at this one. So the core is, we're going to find the core first. So I can see it goes triangle, rectangle, rectangle, oh, and another triangle, and a rectangle, rectangle. So I can see my core is here, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, and then it repeats triangle, rectangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle. So I've identified I've said the pattern aloud and I've identified my core. And now I want to repeat the pattern. So I want to repeat the pattern. So I can see it goes red triangle, my red colour, red triangle, yellow rectangle this way, orange rectangle that way. So I've repeated the pattern, and now I'm just going to complete my sentence. The core is triangle, rectangle, rectangle. Rectangle. Fantastic, okay. So this one is for you to have a go. I would like you to identify the core and complete the missing spaces, and then complete the sentence underneath. Off you go. Fantastic, okay, let's have a look at it. So here I've got a triangle, a rectangle, and then a space, and then a triangle, a rectangle, a square. A triangle, a space, a square, a triangle, a rectangle, a square. Well, I can see that my core is made up of 3 shapes. So 3 shapes make my core. So there's a space here, but I know that is my core. Here is my core. And here is my core, and here. And I can see that I've got 2 complete cores, and it goes triangle, rectangle, square. So my first missing shape is a blue square. And here, my missing shape is triangle. What comes after triangle? Orange rectangle. So I've completed my pattern, and now I'm going to write in what my core is. My core is triangle, rectangle, square. Square, fantastic. Okay, so now we're trying to find out what the missing shape is. Okay, so the missing shape has 4 straight sides, which are not equal. What shape could it be? So it has 4 straight sides, which are not equal. So these are my 4 shapes that we have been learning, of my 4 2D shapes we have been learning. So I want to know which has 4 straight sides, which are not equal. Well, my triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. So is it a triangle? No, because it needs to have 4 sides. Is it a rectangle? Let's see, if rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Are they equal? No, they are not equal, so it could be a rectangle. Let's have a look at my other 2 shapes. My circle has 1 curved side. Could it be a circle? Nope. And my square has 4 straight sides, but they are equal. Could it be a square? No. So that means I know my missing shape is a rectangle. So I'm going to put my rectangle in here because I know my missing shape is a rectangle. And I know the core is rectangle. Oh, Miss Ayres is actually going to type it. I know that my core is rectangle. Rectangle. What is my final shape of my core? Triangle. Brilliant. Okay. So what is the missing shape in this one? So the missing shape has 1 curved side. 1 curved side. What shape could it be? What shape could it be? So it's got 1 curved side. Well, let's have a look at our shape. So first of all, the triangle we're looking for 1 curved side. So the triangle has 1, 2, 3 straight sides. Could it be a triangle? No, it could not be a triangle. We're looking for 1 curved side. So my rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, which are not equal. Could it be a rectangle? Nope. My circle has 1 curved side. Could it be a circle? Yes, it could be a circle. And my square has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, which are not equal. Could it be a square? No, it could not be a square. So I know my missing shape is a circle. So I'm going to pop a circle in all of my missing shape spaces. Oh, would I put a circle here and here? Would I put a circle? Well, let's have a look. So is this correct? I put a circle here and a circle here. Does that look right? No, let's take away those 3. Let's have a look then. My missing shape is a circle, and I know that. So now I want to find my core. So say the pattern aloud. So circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, space, space, space. So what is my core? Well, like I said, there is a circle here and a circle here, and a triangle here. I'm sorry, and a square here and a square here, and a triangle here and a triangle here. So like I said, this is my core, and this is my core repeating. And this is my core repeating. So I know that my core is circle, circle, square, triangle. And now I want to complete my pattern. It's going to be circle, square, triangle. Fantastic. Okay, this is your turn to have a go. So you need to identify the missing shape. Identify the core, complete the pattern and complete the sentence. So there's a lot to do. So I'm going to give you, you might need to pause the screen to complete this and come back when you're ready to check it. Off you go, year one. Fantastic, okay. So the missing shape has 4 straight equal sides. 4 straight equal sides. What shape could it be? Well, let's have a look at our shape. So our triangle has 3 straight sides. My triangle has 3 straight sides. Is it a triangle? No. My rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, but they are not equal. Is it a rectangle? No. My circle has 1 curved side. Is it a circle? No. And my square has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight equal sides. Is it a square? Yes, it is a square. So I'm going to draw my square into my pattern. So square, square, square. And I know that this is my core to repeat, but I need to find my core next. So now I want to find my core, so I'm going to say the pattern aloud. So square, square, rectangle. Square, square, rectangle. Square, square, rectangle. Like so there's a square here and a square here and a rectangle. And then a square, a rectangle. So like I said, this is my core, and then the rest of it is repeating. So this is the core repeating, and this is the core repeating. Fantastic, okay. Now I want to complete my sentence of the core is. The core is, or I can complete my pattern first. So the core is square, square, rectangle. And I'm going to complete my sentence. The core is square, square, rectangle. Fantastic, okay. Oh, now we just have a quick look at some 3D shapes. So with some 3D shapes, let's have a look at what 3D shapes we have here. So there's 6 shapes here. Let's have a look at our first one. Like I said, this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 faces pointing upwards and 1 face on the bottom. And the bottom looks like a square, and the faces going upwards look like triangles into a point. What shape is this? What shape is this? So it's got 5 faces, the base is a square, and the rest are triangles. What shape is this? This is a pyramid. Fantastic, okay. What about this one? So this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. 6 faces. The faces are not all equal, and in fact the faces are made up of rectangles. What shape is this? It's got 6 faces, they are not all equal, and the faces are made of rectangles. What shape is it? This shape is a cuboid. Fantastic, okay, let's look at this shape. So this shape, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. It has 6 faces which are all equal, and it is made up of squares. This shape has 6 equal faces that are made of squares. What shape is this? This shape is a cube. Fantastic. So this shape has 1 curved face and 2 flat faces. It's got 3 faces, 1 is curved, 2 are flat, and the 2 flat faces are made of cylinders, are made of circles. What shape is this? This is a cylinder. Fantastic. Let's look at our next one. This shape has 1 curved face and 1 flat face. So it's got 2 faces, 1 is curved, 1 is flat, and the flat face is made of a circle. What shape is this? This is a cone. Fantastic. Last one. This shape has 1 curved face, 1 curved face. What shape is this? This is a circle. This is a sphere, not a circle. There's no flat 2D shapes making up this shape. It has 1 curved face, so a sphere. Brilliant, okay. So we're going to look at completing our pattern here. So first of all, say the pattern aloud. So cone, cone, cube, cone, cone, cube. So I said my pattern aloud, and now I want to identify the core. So cone, cone, cube. Okay, and then it goes cone, cone, cube. So what is my core? Have a little think about it. What is my core? Well, I can see that my core is one cone, two cones, and then a cube, because it's completed by one cone, two cones, and then a cube. So this is my core, and this is it repeating. And then I'm going to complete the pattern, so I'm going to repeat my core. So I know my core is cone, cone, cube. Cube's going to be a little bit tricky to draw. Cube, brilliant. Okay, let me go again. So let's say the pattern aloud. So pyramid, cylinder, pyramid. Pyramid, cylinder, pyramid. Space, space, space. So I've said the pattern aloud. I want to identify the core. So I can see I've got a pyramid, a cylinder, and then another pyramid. Oh, that's also followed by a pyramid. Well, I can see there's a pyramid, cylinder, pyramid, and then a pyramid, cylinder, pyramid. So like I said, this is my core, and this is where it's repeating. So I know what my core is now. I'm going to complete the pattern. So I know it's a pyramid, cylinder, pyramid. Fantastic. I'll let you to pause the screen and have a go at this one on your own and come back when you're ready to check it. Off you go, year one. Fantastic. Let's have a look at it together. So let's say the pattern aloud. So we have a cube, cone, pyramid. Cube, cone, pyramid, space, space, space. Fantastic. I've said the pattern aloud. I now want to identify the core. Well, I've got a cube here, and I can see I've got a cube here. And after my cube, I have a cone. And after this cube, I have a cone. And after my cone, I have a pyramid. And after this cone, I have a pyramid. So I can say that this is my core, and this is my core repeating. And I now want to complete my pattern. So I know that my core is cube, cone, pyramid. So cube, oh, not quite right. Cube, a little bit tricky to draw, aren't they? Cube, cone, pyramid. Okay, so now it's asking me to identify the missing shape and complete the pattern. So this says the missing shape has two faces. One is curved and one is flat. What shape could it be? So I'm looking for a shape that has two faces, one is curved and one is flat. Let's have a look at our shapes. So first of all, I have a pyramid, and I know a pyramid has 4 or 5 flat faces. Is this my shape? If I'm looking for one curved face and one flat face, so a shape with two faces, one is curved, one is flat. If a pyramid has 4 or 5 faces, is it a pyramid? No, it is not a pyramid. I know my cuboid has 6 faces, 6 flat faces. Could my missing shape be a cuboid? No, because we are looking for 2 faces, one curved and one flat. I know my cube also has 6 faces. Could it be a cube? No, because we're looking for a shape with 2 faces. I know my cylinder has 3 faces. 2 are flat and 1 is curved. Well, I'm looking for 2 faces. 1 is curved and 1 is flat, so it is not a cylinder. My cone has 2 faces. Oh, it could be a cone. 1 is curved and 1 is flat. Well, I know my cone has 1 curved face and 1 flat face. So I know that my missing shape, therefore, is a cone. So I'm going to draw my cone into my pattern. Difficult to draw a cone as well. 3D shapes are a bit tricky to draw, especially with a mouse. So I'm drawing my cone into my pattern. And now I'm going to identify the core. So the core is cone, cube, cylinder, cylinder. Fantastic. Okay. So let's have a look at this again. So the missing shape has 6 faces, which are all equal. So we're looking for a shape with 6 faces, which are all equal. So I know my pyramid has 4 or 5 faces. Could my missing shape be a pyramid? No, because we're looking for a shape with 6 faces. My cuboid has 6 faces. Oh, could it be a cuboid? Are a cuboid's faces all equal? No, a cuboid's faces are not all equal, so it cannot be a cuboid. My cube has 6 faces, and they're all equal. Could it be a cube? Yes, it could be a cube. Let's have a look at the rest of my shapes to make sure it's definitely the cube going in there. My cylinder has 3 faces, 2 are flat and 1 is curved. Could it be a cylinder? No, because my shape needs to have 6 faces. My cone has 2 faces. Could it be a cone? No, it could not be a cone. And my sphere has 1 face. Could it be a sphere? No, it cannot be a sphere. So my missing shape is a cube. So I'm going to put my missing shape into my pattern. Like this. Fantastic. And now I'm going to say the pattern out loud. So I know my pattern is cone, cube, pyramid, cone, cube, pyramid, cone, cube, pyramid. And now I want to identify the core. So to identify the core. So here I can see I've got a cone. I can see there's a cone here. My cone is followed by a cube. It's followed by a cube here. And it's followed by a pyramid here and a pyramid here. So like I said, this is my core. And this is my core repeating. And now I want to complete the pattern. So I know my core is cone, cube, pyramid. Fantastic. The core is, we're going to complete our sentence now. The core is cone, cube, pyramid. Brilliant. Okay. Year 1, these are your worksheets for today. If you could complete these, if you want to send them in, it's absolutely fantastic. But the work I want to send in for this week is Monday's video. It's been lovely talking to you today. Your worksheets are on the screen. You can download these also off the school website or collect them from school. Lovely to speak to Year 1, and I will see you very soon. Bye.